Imagine turning any keyword into 4K videos and images, cartoon video, graphics, logo, and sketch images with no monthly fees. Introducing VisualPal AI, all-in-one AI app that replaces Canva, MidJourney, ChatGPT-4, and other expensive apps. With VisualPal AI, powered by advanced GPT-4 technology, you can effortlessly create stunning 4K HD videos, captivating AI images, and diverse graphics like cartoon animations and professional headshots. Whether it's for storytelling, branding, or artistic expression, VisualPal provides an all-in-one solution to bring your vision to life without the hassle of traditional design tools. No monthly fee, no designing skills, no experience needed. Here's what you get from VisualPal AI. Convert any text into attention-grabbing images using AI. Create Google-friendly, attention-grabbing AI images, graphics, etc., and get 100x more visibility hands down. Create amazing AI Instagram posts and Reels in literally no time. Create profitable Facebook and YouTube videos for any offer in any niche in 3 clicks. Smoothly create AI-based videos and maximize audience engagement like a pro. Easy-to-use software with step-by-step video training. Limited-time commercial license included to provide high-in-demand services to hungry clients. Launch special deal only. Get fast action bonuses worth $14,658. VisualPal AI creates 10x powerful AI visual assets that convert visitors into customers. Only 3 easy clicks, smartly create and sell limitless incredible AI videos, graphics, visuals, arts, etc. to hordes of hungry audiences. Imagine captivating your audience with high-quality visuals that resonate and inspire. Join countless satisfied users who have revolutionized their content creation process with VisualPal AI. No more settling for mediocre graphic. Step into a world where your imagination is the only limit and watch your projects shine. Don't miss out on elevating your creativity. Start using VisualPal AI today and unlock a special introductory offer. Create stunning visuals now. Hit the link below now to watch VisualPal AI in action.